Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best bowling ball bag that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Brunswick T-Zone Single Tote Bowling Bag. There are several bowlers with knowledge of the best bowling brands responsible for the manufacture of durable and high-quality bowling equipment. When ranking, one brand stays at the top, Brunswick. This is a company with decades of design experience concerning all bowling equipment. They are known for the design and distribution of the world's best bowling balls. Thus it is no surprise that their bowling ball bags are just as amazing. We review the Brunswick T-Zone Bowling Bag, a single tote in design with double durability and triple functionality. The T-Zone Tote features a sturdy construction made from 600D fabric for maximum strength and exceptional durability. It holds up to size 14 shoes and also features spacious compartments for all your bowling essentials and personal accessories. This is a bowling bag that promises to keep your bowling ball and everything you hold dear safe and secure until they are needed. Besides its robust construction, this bag features a foam ball holder that keeps your bowling ball in place while you move. The overall design of this bag makes use of an adjustable shoulder strap, padded in design for ultimate comfort while handling. Moving on at number 4, we have the Michelin Storm 3-Ball Tournament Bowling Bag. Are a professional bowler that needs to travel a lot for tournaments and so on? If so, then it isn't unreasonable to believe that you'll need a bag that not only fits all your accessories but carries them in a way that they are safe and secure. If that is you, then the Michelin Storm 3-Ball Tournament Travel Bag is the product to get. This snazzily designed bag features a lot of components and is made for easy and convenient travel. First off is the material used to make the bag, as its 600 deniers polyvinyl fabric construction makes it one of the most robust bags out there. If that were all it had, it'd still be an amazing product, but it also features a recessed wheel system that makes moving around with the bag stressless. Additionally, it has ample space for all your accessories, including up to 3 balls, and with a transparent top, you can easily keep track of all the items in the bag. Even more impressive is how every inch of the bag screams security, including the reinforced zippers and stitching, which ensure that your bag doesn't rip or tear. Most importantly, the bag manages space really well, ensuring that while large, isn't too large to the point where the balls become loose. Therefore, as long as there are up to 3 balls in the bag, there will be limited space, which ensures the balls can't move around. At number 3, we have the Storm Solo Bowling Bag. While the last bag we looked at was made for traveling professionals who have more than one ball to carry around, the Storm Solo Bowling Bag has space for just 1 ball. However, this is not a bad thing, as not everyone needs a bag big enough for 3 balls. So, if you are going out for a night of fun and camaraderie in the bowling alley, this is the ideal partner for you. While it is smaller than the other Storm bag on this list, it is just as properly constructed and durable, meaning that you'll spend less money for similar quality. Also, apart from the main compartment, this bag features another storage area for accessories, meaning that your ball and tools of the trade don't have to share the same space, which prevents incidents of scratching and so on. Meanwhile, the main compartment is pretty spacious, as it can easily fit size 13 men's shoes with no problems at all. Furthermore, the bag comes with a powerful bolt zipper that is easy to operate, giving you easy access to your stuff. In addition, the bag's design is a thing of beauty, and it even features a 2-color Storm logo to spruce up the aesthetic. And, with a 1-year warranty, you have a product that you're sure won't fail you too soon. So, there's really no reason not to give this awesome bag a try. For some amazing storage solutions for baseball players, check out our guide to the best baseball equipment bags. At number 2, we have the Vise 3-Ball Tote Roller Bowling Bag. Vise has always prided itself on being a quality brand for bowling lovers and enthusiasts. For this reason, the company has consistently churned out great products, including bowling bags, which are the envy of the competition. So, they have once again done something truly remarkable with the Vise 3-ball Tote roller bowling bag. As the tagline reads, "The choice for champions," it becomes clear that Vise has a lot of confidence in its product, and with good reason. The bag is made with durable, heavy-duty materials that hold up well after regular use and doesn't fall apart easily. Like other bags on this list, the Vise bowling bag has zippered compartments for accessories, which means that your balls have less chance of getting scratched. Also, its huge interior has enough space for your bowling balls and so much more, and thanks to its reinforced stitching, you can rest assured that the bag won't rip apart. On top of that, it sports a tantalizing design with some remarkable embroidery on the sides so that everyone knows what you're packing. Additionally, it is more affordable than a lot of bowling bags out there, and with the quality it delivers. This is especially great as you have quality without obliterating your budget. Also, the bag is backed by a 5-year warranty, meaning that you are confident of a long period of quality service that you will be glad you experienced. And finally at number 1, we have the Pyramid Prime Double Roller Bowling Ball Bag. The Pyramid brand has come our way once more with a bowling bag that is worth documenting. For recognized brands, every product they launch is expected to be the best not only in function but also in style and pricing. Pyramid creates the perfect balance among these elements with their Pyramid Prime Bowling Bag, another double roller bag designed to keep your bowling balls and other valuables away from damage. Like the Pyramid Path Bag, the Prime is made with a durable 600 denier polyester material with an Oxford construction that increases its durability. It is easy to move around as you please, thanks to its full 3 inches rubber wheel and its extendable square handle. The Pyramid Prime bag has been designed to accommodate your bowling balls and your shoes. It comes with compartments for each item, to prevent them from getting caught up in each other. The shoe compartment of this bag allows for bowling shoes up to size 15. This bowling bag is simple in design but excellent in performance. It is the perfect completion to your bowling arsenal, thanks to its elegant and sleek outlook. If you're a bowler making the step up to a rolling bowling bag, or you're one of the no-nonsense bowlers looking for an equally no-nonsense bag, the Pyramid Prime will be the best option for you.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.